this is CRYSTALCHANEL and I am back yet again with another video. Now this video I partnered with Cupshe. You dolls love when I do try on videos. I've been doing a lot of try on videos with Cupshe for bathing suits. So of course I got a couple of those to share with you. But also I wanted to try something new. I noticed that they had other things on their website besides bathing suits, and I definitely wanted to test the quality for you dolls to give you the tea on what to expect. That way, if you were looking for the other things that they offer, you know what it's like. So if you want to see what it is I picked up, stay tuned. Okay, dolls, so this top is really interesting. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take these pads out. I'm sure they were in there with good intentions, but I think because this is a light color material, you can really see it and it looks kind of tacky. It's a really thin material, so the prices do reflect what it is that you get, but I think it's really cute for an outfit as far as a night out. So as you can see, it's kind of shimmery. Do you see the material? It's like a shimmery material. It feels a little scratchy, but that's just on the outside. It doesn't feel uncomfortable while you're wearing it. It's not lined, so you have to be mindful of that. It may be see-through. I don't really know because I'm in the house, but I do like how the fabric is stretchy. I like how it's midi. These strings you can tie however you like, and at first I was not sure about this when I picked it up because of the material. It is thin, but again, the price reflects the quality. It's a two-piece outfit. It's cute for pictures. It's cute to go out in, and honestly, I would recommend it. Okay, dolls, so I'm pretty much feeling this dress. I was not sure at first, again, because of the material. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but this material is very like scratchy on the outside. It's kind of thin, but this one has like a lining, kind of like it's double, like there's a fabric on the outside, but then there's also a lining on the inside, so that is a saving grace, which is black. So I'm assuming this is not see-through. It's really stretchy on. I love how the back comes around, so it covers any kinds of back rolls. And then I also love that you can lace it so that you can choose how tight you want this to be, because that will prevent you from having to wear a bra. And I'm team no bra. Okay. But yes, I love this dress because even though it's like a mini sexy dress, perfect for like the club, you do not have to worry about it being too short. I don't feel like I have to constantly pull it down. I can't wait to rock this dress. I wasn't sure at first, but y'all, this one, again, you get what you pay for, but just for a simple night out on the town where you don't want to get super dressed up, but you also want to look like something, this is perfect. I need like this dress in all the colors. Okay, dolls, so back to the bathing suit. I adore this color. I think this color looks really well on all skin tones, especially when you're out in the sun, you're getting that tan. So I like this bathing suit also because the material is so thick. I love Cupshe's material that they make their bathing suits out of. It kind of holds you in, it's stretchy, it feels good, it's not see-through. This particular top does have pads in it, but I actually think it works. I love this top because of the ruffles, so it kind of gives you that extra boost as far as of confidence, because you can kind of pull it as far down as you need to if you have any kind of insecurities or any kind of rolls that you kind of want to cover. And this is what I mean. Like, instead of having it up here like this, I could bring it down and now it's gone. So I love that. It is a two-piece, so yeah, your stomach's gonna be out, but the bottom has these cute little details on the side, so it's like really stretchy. I don't know if you can see that. It's like really stretchy. So I really can't say enough positive things about the bathing suits. I always recommend them. Anyone who's always asking about the places where I get my bathing suits, so definitely check them out. But I'm gonna go ahead and share with you what else I got from the swim side. So for this particular outfit, I like that you can wear it just straight up and down. I like that you can also, the way I wore it the other day, I kind of turned it to the side a little bit. So it kind of came down like normal on this side, but it gave me like a little split action. So I thought that was really cute. You can make it as high as you want or as low as you want, but I like to wear it kind of high because when I'm on the beach or if I'm at the pool, I act as if it's a cover up, okay? So I think it's really pretty. I wore it with a white bathing suit. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already noticed the sneak peek in a video that I did. But long story short, I think it's really romantic, it's really cute, it's really classy. It shows enough, but it also covers a lot. So if you're looking for a sexy cover up that is a little different than what you may be used to, check this one out. And now we have a more traditional cover up. Now this particular cover up I like because it's sheer. It has this blue detail and it goes pretty long, as you can see. It's sheer and the design is like a color of blue in like this taupey color, like a cream color. You can see that detail. So this is the up and down cover up. Again, there's no closure to this one. It's just a simple throw on and go. I got this to actually wear maybe with jeans and a tank top. You don't always have to wear what the item is purpose for that only purpose, if that makes sense. So there's no closure. I'm really big on the bottom, so you know, it doesn't really close all the way on me. I believe this is a one size fits all, but this is how it looks. I think it's really comfortable, really cute. Again, I'm probably gonna rock it with some jeans and like a tank top, just something real casual, but I definitely wanted to share with you some of the other options on Cupshe as far as their swim. Next up, we have this bathing suit, which is high waist. I really love the top because you can wear it off the shoulders or you can wear it like straps, like you see here. This bathing suit is really girly. I love, love, love the top because you can wear it off the shoulders or you can wear it like regular straps where you have the ruffles, but the color is really pretty. I love the back detail. I think again, it's so dainty and so girly. So you don't always have to be that siren when you're in a bathing suit. You can make it fun, you can make it feminine. I love that Cupshe has so many different options when it comes to bathing suits. And again, I recommend it because it really does feel like great fabric. It's not see-through. I've been swimming already in a lot of the bathing suits I've already have, and I didn't have any issues. So I love this bathing suit. I want to show you one more thing. So I noticed that they have cover-ups, and then they also have the towels. This is a really big circular one, which you can lay on. They have so many different options as far as the print. I love this one because of the color, so I'm gonna get really close. So it's like a towel basically. So that's why I like it, because at the pool it can be used as a towel, and then also the colors. But you can lay this out when you are at the pool, lay on it. You can have it at the beach, you can have it at a picnic. Y'all, this is so cute and it's so big, it will completely cover you. So I hope this is helpful. I know I'm showing you dolls a whole lot of other options on their website, but yeah. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Again, I am a lover of Cupshe. Again, this haul was a little different, so I'll be sure to put obviously the bathing suits down below, but also the clothes down below, as well as the sizes that I got them in. So give me a thumbs up if you like this haul. Tell me if you've tried other products besides the swimsuits from Cupshe and what your experience was. The shipping has always been fine. The bathing suits, definitely, I highly, highly, highly recommend. The clothing is just like decent, just to be honest, for the price and just depending on what you're buying it for, I think it's fine. If you want to shop these looks, again, look down below for my coupon code. You know I gotta save my doll some coins. If you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do that. My name is @ChryssyTheDoll. If you don't subscribe to this channel, be sure that you do. Subscribe to my fitness and my vlog channel. I'll put those links as well down below in the box. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and share it with your friends. That is really it, dolls. I want to say thank you so much for your support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.